Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to XIAOMI BlackShark 4. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bar. From here you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to click I accept, sorry, confirm, continue and allow. Then go with Receive on BlackShark and Send on XIAOMI. Now you need to click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to transfer all of your data. It will take some time though, so I will only go with one photo. Choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on BlackShark. Then you need to choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. After that, wait a second. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to check that for sure, you can always go into File Manager, click on In My Case Images and go into Send Anywhere album. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!